Imagine walking into a high-stakes meeting or a crowded coffee shop in New York City. Everyone around you is carrying the same aluminum slabs we've seen for a decade. But then, you pull something out of your bag that shouldn't exist. It's thinner than a notepad, lighter than a tablet, but it carries a power that rivals the most expensive workstations on the planet. For years, the rumor mill has been buzzing about a secret project inside Cupertino, a device meant to bridge the gap between the iPad's portability and the MacBook Pro's raw muscle. Today, the veil has been lifted. This is the MacBook Neo 2. This isn't just another laptop. It is the death of the Air and the Pro divide. Apple has realized that the modern American professional doesn't want to choose between weight and power. We want it all. We want to be able to edit 8K video on a plane, code a new app while sitting in a park, and handle a 12-hour workday without ever looking for a wall outlet. But there is a secret buried deep within the architecture of the Neo 2, a feature involving the new liquid silicon cooling and a display technology that Apple has been hiding for 3 years. If you've been thinking about upgrading your current Mac, stop what you're doing. You need to hear this, because the Neo 2 is about to make every other laptop on the market look like a relic from the Stone Age. Let's talk about the first thing that hits you when you see it: the aesthetics. The Neo 2 isn't just a color refresh. Apple has moved to a new titanium magnesium alloy. It feels like silk, but it's stronger than any MacBook we've ever touched. The edges are tapered in a way that makes the device seem to float off the desk. But this design isn't just for show. The entire chassis acts as a heat sink. There are no fan grills. There is no noise. Even when you're pushing the M5 Neo chip to its absolute breaking point, the machine remains dead silent. In a world of loud, humming fans, the silence of the Neo 2 is its loudest feature. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, the M5 Neo processor. This is a specialized variant of the M5 chip, tuned specifically for burst performance. It's designed for the way we actually work. We aren't all rendering 3D movies for 10 hours straight. We are jumping between 100 Chrome tabs, a Zoom call, a Slack channel, and a high-res photo editor. The Neo 2 uses a new dynamic core allocation that predicts which app you're going to click on next. It preloads the data into the unified memory before your finger even hits the trackpad. The result? Zero latency. It feels like the computer is reading your mind. For the American creative, the display is everything. The Neo 2 introduces the tandem OLED Pro display. This is the same technology found in the ultra-high-end iPad Pros, but expanded to a 14.5-inch canvas. The peak brightness is so high you can work in direct sunlight on a beach in Miami and still see every shadow detail in your video project. The blacks are so deep it looks like the screen is turned off in dark areas. But here is the kicker. It's a touch-sensitive interface with Apple Pencil support. Yes, they finally did it. The Neo 2 features a 180-degree lay-flat hinge, allowing you to turn your laptop into a professional drawing surface. It's the hybrid device we've been begging for since 2010. But why now? Why did Apple wait until 2026 to release the Neo 2? It's because of the battery. The US audience is mobile. We are